So apparently there's a blizzard, as you can see. I just walked home from work and I had way too much fun. It's like being inside of a snow globe. It's like the fluffiest, most beautiful thing you've ever seen. Like I'm sure I'll get sick of it, but this is my first blizzard and it's gorgeous, so I want to play in it. Everything's like blanketed. That's the T stop I live above. It's like completely covered and like that's a parking lot, but you can't really tell. It's completely gorgeous. This probably isn't doing it any justice, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do a snow angel. I think I'm gonna go for it. My number one's first snow angel. Oh god. Oh god. There it is. Ain't it magnificent? I'm like the only idiot that likes this. So this is post my snow angel. Might have been a bad idea because apparently snow quickly turns into water. Who knew? I don't know. I didn't get the memo. I'm from California. So just like might want to check out my new winter digs. I got the fancy coat. Very, very fashionable, you know. Oh yeah, very shapely and whatnot. Fur lined, huge hood. Like I just like disappear in it, which is actually kind of perfect. And then the scarf, ugh, which I'm always being strangled by. And do not forget the very sexy, very sensual fisherman rain boots. Bow, check, bow, wow. Yeah, actually, I have my boots like, oh, I want to like be cute and wear my heel, and then it's like I have my boots where it's like, yeah, it's fucking cold and I don't want to wear a heel, but then it's like, okay, it's really cute or really cold, I don't want to be cute, and it's like I'm stepping in 3 feet of snow, and then you evolve to the fisherman. So we obviously all become more progressively sexy as winter goes on. So I don't know, I love it. It's gorgeous. So far I like it, and I'm sure I'll get very sick of it very soon when it all turns to black sludge and 3 months later I haven't seen the sun. But so far I love it. But I miss you all very much.